Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, continuation of the topic bearing. In this video, we are going to provide an answer to a bearing question that involved 3 points. In the previous episode, we were trying to explain the bearing between 2 points. So in this, the point A, B, and C are 3 ships that are on a dock. So the bearing of A from B is given at 45. Looking at this question, the starting point is going to be where? B. Because the bearing of A from B is what we are looking for. So B becomes your initial point. Let me indicate that here. This will be the north, and this will be the point B. I am on a bearing of what? 45, meaning dividing this part into 2. We need to use a ruler, so this is going to be 45 degrees on the point what? A. That's the statement all the way to this place. Then the bearing of C from the point A is also given to us as 135, meaning I need to go to the north of A and measure from the north to get 135. So that will also be at the point what? C. So C is a bearing on a bearing of what? 135, meaning 45 plus 90. So this could be 45 if I like. I indicate that. If I like, I leave it. So now we are saying that if AB as the length is 8 kilometers, AC as a length is what? 6 kilometers. What do? We need to find the bearing of B all the way from C. So we need to draw a line. All the way to this to indicate our C. We are looking for the bearing to this place. Don't forget there is a small space there. That small angle, if it is known, then we are going to, don't forget, 90 from here to here is also 90. If I know the small angle here, subtracting from 270, I should be able to find the bearing of B from where? A. Do you get the point? We need this angle here is like this. We are looking for a bearing of B from C. What do? It's going to be north. 90 plus 90 plus this angle. And this angle could be known. If I know that all of this is 90, so 90 minus whatever angle is here from this will give me the remaining. So if this angle is 20, this becomes what? 70. So 90 plus 90 plus 70 will have given me the bearing of B from where? C. So our task is to find that small angle. Alright, we have to check whether this diagram or this triangle is a right angle triangle so that we can use the trig function or Pythagoras theorem. If it is not right angle triangle, then cosine rule or sine rule will be used. So in this case, we know that this is 45. This is parallel to this, so 45, 45. This is 45 plus 90, 135. So 45 plus 45, 90 degrees. So this angle is 90. So simply put, I can use my trig function. I can put this angle here to be 90 theta and the small angle here to be alpha. Meaning if I know the alpha, subtract it from 270 as we are done here, then I can get my bearing. But don't forget this alpha plus this angle. This is 45. 45 will be here also because this is parallel to this. So 45 here, 45. So 45 plus alpha, so give me my angle theta. So now let's find the theta. This is the right angle triangle, therefore this is going to be opposite and what? Adjacent. Opposite, adjacent, and I believe that will be tan. So we are going to have tan theta equals to opposite side 8/6. But we are looking for theta, not tan theta. So theta equals to tan inverse of 8/6. And that will give us 53.13 degree. This angle theta, don't forget angle theta is equals to 45 plus alpha. So we are going to say that the angle alpha is equals to theta minus what? 45. The whole of this is theta. So if you take away 45 from that, so 53.13, that is 13, minus 45.00. So if you do that, you are going to get 8.13 degrees. Meaning the angle, that small angle that we are looking for is 8.13. Good. But we are not interested in that angle as the final answer. We are looking for all the way to this, which is 270. So the bearing of B from C is going to be 270 degrees minus 813 degrees. And that gives us 261 point what? 87 degree. If you want to write that into nearest degree, that could be 262 degree as an approximation to the nearest degree. So that is the answer you get as the bearing of B from C. Good. But don't forget, this is not the only way. You could also find the angle here. This angle is also having a small portion here. The angle here and that small portion should give you 45, because this is 45. This and that small portion to give 45. So whatever you get here, you subtract it from what? 45 to get this. That angle is equal to this, as in alternating. This small angle will equal that small angle, then you should be able to get your answer. Since you will be using ruler to draw, this angle will be visible as this will be visible for you to see clearly. So this is what you can easily get when you are having 3 points that will generate into the use of trig function. Thank you for watching. If you are new, consider subscribing. Like the video if you find it educative. Share with your learning colleagues, and don't forget to leave a comment for us to get interactive. See you in the next episode as we take more challenging questions in bearing.